Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get story mode on TikTok. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for the TikTok and you need to update your TikTok application. As you can see, my TikTok is up to date. Then you simply need to go back and open TikTok application. And here you need to click on the plus icon in the bottom, but here you can see there is no option of story, so you simply need to come on to the camera tab and hold that button like this, and you can see a video is recorded. Click on the tick mark and here you can see an option of your story. Click on that and after that you can add it to your story. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.